Listen up, soldiers. 30 minutes ago, our training camp was hit by terrorist attack. Missile strikes, multiple soldiers trapped. Right now, our men are fighting for their lives, and we're the only backup they've got.
Let's go! Sir, yes, sir! Good work! Outstanding! Pay attention. Outstanding! Enemy spotted! Nice work! Nice work! Good work!
Backup units have arrived at the camp. Our forces have taken control of the area and secured the perimeter. Military doctors are already on the ground, providing urgent first aid to the wounded. Army doctors are providing first aid to the wounded. Ambulances are evacuating injured soldiers. Thanks to the bravery and rapid response of our troops, order has been restored. The camp is now under our control.
This is
The
our
fight
victory!
isn't over yet. The war machine is moving again. Crates of weapons are being loaded onto military trucks. Every bullet, every rifle, every supply matters. Because the next mission won't wait. The convoy is ready, and the fight is about to begin.
Let's go! Sir, yes, sir!
We have stopped military trucks for security inspection, scanning cargo, verifying weapons shipment. Clearance confirmed. Truck approved to proceed. Stay alert, soldier. The mission continues.
Nice work! Outstanding! Enemy spotted! Outstanding! Good work! Enemy spotted! Good work!
Delivery confirmed. The weapons shipment has safely arrived at its destination. These supplies will strengthen our forces on the front lines. Another step closer to victory. Good work, soldier.
This is our
Mission
victory!
accomplished. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, trust your training. Out there, mistakes are not an option. Listen up, soldiers. You're being transferred from Fort Liberty to Fort Benning, one of the toughest training grounds in the Army. This isn't routine. This is where warriors are tested. Move out, load up, and stay in formation.
Good work. Let's go. Sir, yes, sir. Outstanding. Enemy spotted. Nice work. Stay sharp. Outstanding. Good work.
Welcome to the Proving Ground. This is where strength is built and limits are broken. Every drill, every second, every drop of sweat prepares you for the battlefield. Push harder, move faster, think sharper. This is not just training. This is where soldiers